Hi, today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card in your Motorola E6 Play. So, first of all, let's turn our phone to the right side, because right here we have our slot. So, let's open it. So let's insert our SIM and our SD card right here, and let's put it back to our phone. As always. Nah, something went wrong. Let's try it again, and everything is done. So, as you can see, it asks for password, which means everything is working. So, yes. So, press the like, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.